Introduce highlight features or overview summary of AOTAOREC 64GB voice-activated HD recorder with 72 hours battery. There are features include 72-hour marathon recording and smart scheduling. Timed recording, automate daily 2-hour sessions for 30 days. 600 mAh high-density battery, 72-hour continuous recording. USB-C fast charging, full charge in just 3 hours. Multi-playback options, hi-fi audio via Type-C earphones, WAV, MP3. Time-stamped files. Pro-grade DSP noise cancellation and HD capture. 4-level noise control, optimized for meeting, lecture, car, and raw environments. Noise reduction, 70% car engine noise, 65% AC hum, 80% wind/background noise suppression. Voice focus, captures 200 to 4000 Hz frequencies for courtroom-grade clarity. Strong magnetic suction and ultra-portable. N45 neodymium magnets, securely attaches to office desks, car mounts, lab gear, factory machines, fridge doors, and outdoor tools. Pocket tough design, only 0.6 ounce and 0.6 inch slim, scratch-proof and stable in -10 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit. One-touch operation and cross-platform sync. No app needed, physical switch for instant recording. Universal compatibility, drag and drop transfers on Windows/Mac, OTG adapter for phone playback on iOS/Android. 64GB storage and voice activation. Pro Audio Vault, stores 1280 hours of WAV, CD quality, or 25,600 MP3 files. Smart Voice Detection, 7-level sensitivity saves 50% storage space. Quick playback tags, mark key moments in lectures or interviews for easy access. Trusted by professionals, educators, record seminars, lectures, and workshops for detailed review and future reference. Legal professionals, capture time-stamped courtroom evidence for accurate legal documentation. Medical practitioners, securely record patient notes and consultations for comprehensive records. Executives, archive global meetings and discussions for strategic planning and follow UPS. Legal compliance notice: users must comply with local laws regarding audio recording consent. Always inform participants before recording, especially in private settings. Ensure transparency and obtain explicit consent to avoid legal issues. If you want to get full features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.